Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pre-workout black coffee. To start, understand that black coffee is a simple yet effective pre-workout booster. It can significantly enhance your workout performance. We will cover why it works, when to drink it, and how to prepare it for the best results. Get ready to elevate your exercise routine with this natural energy source. Black coffee is a powerful pre-workout because its caffeine content stimulates your central nervous system. This helps improve focus and reduces the feeling of effort during your workout, making it feel easier. Additionally, caffeine can help your body burn more fat for energy. For optimal results, aim to drink your coffee about 30 to 60 minutes before you start exercising. Preparing your pre-workout black coffee is straightforward. Start with high-quality coffee beans, as this will significantly impact the taste and effectiveness. Brew it strong, but remember the key is to drink it black, no sugar, no milk, and no cream, as these can negate some of the benefits. For a little extra flavor without added calories, try a small pinch of cinnamon. To maximize your pre-workout routine, always remember to stay well hydrated throughout your entire workout. While black coffee provides a boost, water is essential for performance and recovery. Also, pay attention to how your body responds to caffeine and adjust your intake accordingly. And speaking of lasting performance, if you're looking for socks that truly go the distance, check out Darn Tough. They offer a lifetime warranty, and you can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.